Hello besties, welcome to my channel. In this particular video I'm going to show you guys how I was able to make this closure braided wig. I'm going to show you guys everything step by step from the beginning to the end. Everything I did, I'm going to show you guys all. So these are the materials we need: our cap, our reflected closure, our extension, our howto comb, our crochet pin, scissors for cutting, and also our tape. So I have to go ahead and measure and cut my extension. I'm using cotton 3, so I measured it into 3 equal parts. After stretching the extension, I went ahead and brushed it with my hairbrush. Brush it smoothly, and this is part of the extension that I'm going to use. The next thing is to secure my mesh cap on my canvas head. Mannequin head can also do this. You can use your pin to secure it so that it doesn't fall off when you are braiding. When I got my closure, I used my pin to secure. See how I was able to secure the closure firmly on the wig cap. Then the next is to get my needle and thread and start threading it round.
Comb it, twist it, own your name in every look. You set the flame, global glam, African pride. Learn the art, let your beauty rise.
If this is first time you're coming by my channel, welcome. You can join the family by hitting that subscribe button, turn on notification bell, so that once I upload new videos, you are going to get notified. Here in this channel, I share hair tutorial videos, wig making videos, hair ventilation videos, hair maintenance videos, basically everything concerning hair. So guys, if you notice how I'm threading the closure, you see that I'm not giving space, I'm not giving much space. You have to do this so that your closure will be firmly secured on the mesh cap. And when I'm done with the sewing process, I have to knot it 3 times to make sure that it's well secured. And this is it when we are done with the threading. Now we have to move over to the next process. For this process, use my measuring tape to go ahead and mark out 1 inch. This is me giving guidelines for where I am going to be braiding, like where I'm going to be crocheting and braiding. So you have to give this guideline. Okay, then after marking 1 inch, getting close to where the closure is, I am going to reduce the inches to half. Instead of marking 1 inch, I am going to be marking ½ inch. Okay, half of 1. That's close to the closure. Okay, so when I'm done, the next thing is for me to use my stuff to demarcate it, like make it round. Use it to mark round the mesh cap. Remember, the sense of doing this is that it will guide you on where to crochet and making your work to be very full and also beautiful.
African pride, learn the art, let your beauty rise.
So guys, I have to do this all around till I am done. This is part 1 of this video. Okay, the next video I'm going to show you guys the crocheting process. Alright, so for you not to miss it, hit the subscribe button, turn on notification bell, so that once I upload it, you'll get notified. So this is part one. Watch out for part two, because I'm going to show you guys how I was able to get this beauty without skipping any process. I'm going to show you guys everything. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the part of this video.